What we focus on is what we get, for the simple reason that what we focus on is what we find. So let me give you a quick demonstration of this. If you're driving, please feel free to ignore this and what the hell are you doing watching a video while you're driving anyway. But if you're in a nice safe space, no vehicles involved, no heavy machinery, just try to experiment with me. Have a look around the room and notice everything in the room that's brown. Whatever it might be, brown floor, brown doors, brown desk, whatever's brown. Now keep going, keep going, keep going. I guarantee that those of you that want to feel successful are now taking things that are sort of a light beige tan and calling it brown. And some of you will even be taking a cream colour and calling that brown because you're a driven, goal-oriented individual. Now, do this for me for a second. Just close your eyes for a second and remember everything in the room that's blue. Oops! If you go round your life looking for blue, you'll find it everywhere. And if you go through life looking for brown, you'll find it everywhere. Your environment hasn't changed. The room's no different. But if you look for brown, you'll find it. If you look for blue, you'll find it. If you look for problems, you'll find them. If you look for opportunities, you'll find them. Whatever you focus on is what you get.